How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can find our wallet address on Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First off, launch or open up the Trust Wallet application and make sure that you have logged in. Once you're logged in, on your home page, you will have various tokens. So from there, you have to tap on specific cryptocurrency for which you will need the wallet address. After you tap on it, on this interface, there is a receive button. So tap on receive. After you do that, you will see a QR code and a string of characters below it. Tap the copy button to copy the address. Alternatively, you can share the QR code for others to scan as well. Now, you can provide this address to anyone who needs to send cryptocurrency to your wallet. Be sure to select the correct network to avoid losing funds. So that's how you can find your wallet address on Trust Wallet, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.